Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a set of Oria LED solar powered lights. This is a 2-pack. You can go ahead and check out the link to this in my video description below to see if it's the right thing for you or to shop around for some other Oria products. Or just kick it on Amazon and see what's already in your cart or what you may want in the future. So go ahead, check that out. There's great photos, reviews, that sort of thing. Here's how it'll come packaged to you from Amazon. Cardboard box, no descriptions on it besides one sticker. Made in China, and it talks about what it is. So again, solar powered LED lights. Really excited to open this up and see what they're like. All right, I'm already amazed that they can fit all this in this little box. So first thing we have, it looks like the option to possibly, I'm going to guess, stake it in the ground or to mount it to something for the solar panel. Anchors and screws, great to have. And operating instructions. So solar panel box with LED string light, pole, pointed ground stake, one piece. So really, really cool. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Solar power, just showing you the basic setup. I also want to mention I will be doing a follow-up video for this product as well because I'm going to be installing it outside. So I'll be running it hopefully from my garage to my tree and maybe down the fence line. So got a lot to figure out there, but can't wait to power these up. Gives you some more adapters as well. Really nice and helpful. Now let's see. All right, here's one strand in the solar power connector right here. We have a mode and an on and an off. And then here's the other strand. So just amazing that they can fit all that in here. So I'll go ahead. We'll take this one out of bubble wrap. And so maybe you'll be able to see then, it literally just looks like a copper wire with a bunch of LEDs on it. And that's it. So I'm actually going to think this would be really cool out in the yard. And other applications, I guess you could use it for any sort of decorations in your house, which is really neat. There are a couple different options online, so go ahead and check that out. But I'm not going to unwind it all here. But I'll do a follow-up video. I'll link it to this video at the end so you can check out and see how I like it. And I'll do it, obviously, when it's dark so we can see how bright these are and how well set up and everything else went. So really excited for that. It seems really straightforward, too. Just to show you, that should slide right in there. Yep. And we can put this on here. So we can attach this. I'll probably attach it to my garage or the fence. So really excited, great product. Go ahead, check it out online. Links in the description below. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks.